Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I whiten my teeth. I don't think y'all are ready for this video. If you're ready for this video, comment down below because I don't think y'all ready. People always ask me how is my teeth so white and stuff like that, so I just felt like I should come and show y'all exactly what I do. I do this routine every 3 months. It doesn't cause any sensitivity to my teeth, but I just want to throw out a disclaimer. Don't do this and blame me if anything happens, because I just be doing this to my teeth and I wanted to just show y'all because everybody be asking me. And if this is your first time seeing me, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have a previous video styling this hair and doing my makeup, so if you guys want to check that video out, I will either have it in the eye above over here or I'm gonna have it in the description box. I literally have my 5 braids underneath my hair because I'm treating my natural hair. So if you guys want to purchase my hair growth oil and butter, I will have it linked down below as well, so you can take care of your natural hair under your wigs. So yeah, also I did do my nails, so make sure you check out my nail video if you like nail content, because if you guys are not watching my nail content, I'm not gonna make nail videos. But yeah, today is a very different type of video. If you're gonna mess with your teeth in any type of way, I do recommend that you talk to your dentist first. I just want my teeth to be very white, so I just go ahead and do this. I mean, at the end of the day, as long as you're over 18, you're an adult and you can make your own adult decisions. So with that being said, the stuff I used to whiten my teeth came in this case, and let me take my time. So I'm gonna first show you what gel I use to whiten my teeth, and I do this routine every 3 months. The packaging is a little messed up just because the mouthwash fell on it. The brand that I like using is Philip Zoom. Oops. This is the brand that I like to use, and I use their Night White 22% peroxide in this treatment. So if you don't like using peroxide and stuff like that, I will not recommend this. I mean, it doesn't get my teeth sensitive or anything. I just don't want to overdo it, you know. The case comes with these things because this is a professional whitening system, so they normally use this at the dentist. So it did come with this mold, and basically, where's the mold? I don't know where I put the mold, y'all. All right, well, anyways, it normally comes with a mold, and the dentist would basically take a mold of your teeth and then make the mold for you. But since I did not go to my dentist for this, I decided to go on Amazon, and I got this whitening tray that you can connect to your phone. I'm gonna try to link everything down below, but if not, just type in like whitening teeth LED light tray, and I got this off of Amazon. The Philip Zoom thing come with 6 treatments, and as you can see, I only use one because you can see it has a thing right here. I only use one so far because I don't use it too often because it really gets your teeth white, so I don't have to use it too much. It also comes with this where you can test the color of your teeth just to see how white it's getting, just to know like you can see a progress in the whitening treatment. Before I zoom up, I just want to tell you guys, this is the toothbrush that I use. Oh, my toothbrush is so janky, don't judge me. This is the toothbrush that I like to use. It's the Oral-B toothbrush. I need to get a new one, and I normally so on a regular basis I like using my Crest 3D white toothpaste, but when I'm doing this treatment, I like using the toothpaste that come in their packaging. So this is the toothpaste. It's a zinc toothpaste, and I literally just put a pea-sized amount at the top area of my toothbrush. I brush my teeth, and every night when I brush my teeth, I literally brush my teeth tooth by tooth. So I like that. I brush my teeth tooth by tooth. I brush my gums, my tongue, and the top of the bridge of my mouth, like up here where my tongue will be. I don't know, but I brush everywhere. I make sure I brush everywhere, and once I'm done brushing my teeth, when you're doing the whitening thing, before you do the whitening thing, I would say like 30 minutes before you whiten your teeth to do this, and then I just shake up the mouthwash. So I've already did that off of camera, so I'm not gonna demonstrate that. I'm just gonna go straight into whitening my teeth. And this is a night wipe, meaning that if you have a tray, you get to put it in your tray and you can just walk around the house, do your regular thing with it. But since I'm using this thing that connects to my phone, or you could connect it to the wall or whatever, I normally just lay down for 30 minutes. You can leave it on for 2 hours, but I'm not leaving it on for 2 hours just because I literally have to hold this in my mouth. So I'm just gonna take it out of the packaging and put it on the tray. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Okay, so this is how This is how it looks. It kind of like shifts just because I haven't used it in a while, but it shows you how it gives you like numbers, so you push it to the numbers. So I used it 3 times already, and now it's my 4th time, and I use this every 3 months. I would show y'all a new one, but I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you get it, it's pretty self-explanatory, so I don't have to open a new one. But I'm just gonna take this off, and then I'm going to put it on each little light. As you can see, there's these like, you're gonna see these little light squares. I'm gonna put a dot of the treatment on the light squares. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Hopefully y'all can see that at the top and the bottom. And what I like to do, I like to take a paper towel and just pat dry my teeth, just so it's not like wet or anything. I normally will go ahead and put some vitamin E oil on my gums, but I'm not gonna do that today just because this is like a quick treatment, but I would normally do that. I'll do it afterwards though. Oh, my face is just a mess. Anyways. But the bottom is very yellow. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my mouth and just pat dry my teeth. And for this, you don't want to swallow it, so try your best not to swallow it, or use like the mouth guard. I think a mouth guard would be so much better than me holding this in my mouth. But anyways, so since I can't talk with this in my mouth, I'm just gonna put that, and then it has like these USB things. I'm gonna plug it into my phone because it has a Apple one right here. I'm gonna plug it into my phone, and when I plug it in, it's gonna light up like this. It turns like that. And I feel like this makes the process way faster, so I don't even have to put it on for 2 hours. I just put it on for 30 minutes, and I feel like that does the trick for me. So I think because of this blue light, it's doing that. So yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe my teeth again just to make sure. And then I'm going to sit for 30 minutes. Alright you guys, so I just finished and this is how my teeth is looking. I'm gonna zoom in. That's how I whiten my teeth. That's how I maintain my teeth. That's why they're always so white. I do this every 3 months, and it doesn't do that little irritation stuff on my teeth or anything like that. It literally just removes those surface stains, because since it's 3 months, it's not really tough surface stains. It's just like little food stains and stuff like that. So I like to do this every 3 months, and yeah, if you want, you could just try them out and see if it works for you. But that's basically what I do to keep my teeth white. For anybody asking, I will always send you guys this video. Thank you. Bye. I hope this video was helpful.